If your GMC Yukon's Apple CarPlay keeps cutting out mid-drive, you don't need a new head unit yet. 85% of CarPlay issues are actually caused by worn-out cables or debris in the charging port. Let's run through the troubleshooting playbook to find exactly where your connection is failing. Starting with a clean slate by forgetting the device on both the phone and the truck solves most software glitches. Check your hardware first, especially the Lightning or USB-C port for any hidden lint or debris. Verify that your iPhone settings allow CarPlay to run even when the screen is locked. If your wireless connection is flaky, switching to a high-quality wired connection is the most reliable workaround. Data shows that a simple cable swap fixes the majority of Yukon connection drops. For persistent issues, you can force a hard reboot of the GMC IntelliLink system using the physical dash buttons. Keep an original Apple cable and a simple cleaning tool in your center console for quick fixes. Remember, in most modern GMCs, the issue is a physical handshake problem rather than a total computer failure. Try these steps in order and you'll be back to hands-free driving in no time. See you in the next one.